Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on Oukitel WP35. To find and manage sound settings, go to Settings app, then go to Sound and Vibration, and now I'm gonna get you through all of these settings. These bars are to adjust the volume of media calls, ring, and notifications and alarms. You can slide these bars to adjust the volume, and when you adjust it, you hear a preview of how loud it is. Then you can go to Do Not Disturb, to silence notifications, phone ringtone to choose a ringtone for your phone, default notification sound, default alarm sound, and you can enable live caption to automatically caption speech. You can adjust media settings, turn on or off vibration haptics, and you can also adjust these settings, as well as you can go to sound enhancement and enable bass loudness to make your speakers louder than normal, and enable high fidelity mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.